This instructional video will prepare you for each of your SSC meetings. The first thing that you want to do is go into My Computer, find your local P drive, and find the Preparing Your TBT and SSC for Success folder. Inside this folder, you will see SSC required forms. And inside that folder, you will find SSC meeting templates.
In the SSC process implementation checklist, this information should be communicated to teachers to have completed prior to your SSC meeting. Most buildings communicate that buildings should have this done a week before the actual SSC meeting. Teachers need to be communicated on how they need to complete whichever step their TBT is currently working on. Step 1, we have one for each grade level, their literacy and math, what data is being collected. Step 2, analyzing the data. Buildings or teachers may be doing a quarterly assessment. They may just be doing a short cycle assessment or formative assessment. Either assessment that they're doing, buildings need to communicate that. Step 3, important piece, what is the adult doing in order to support the students' needs in literacy and math? So each grade level should input that information. Step 4, what are the look-fors? What is the teacher going to be doing? What are the students going to be doing? So principals and coaches can support teachers in the implementation. And step 5, what are the next steps or post-assessment? Again, it just depends on which step each grade level is on. Looking at that information that they're on, grade levels should be communicated on which step they should input. Again, before your SSC meeting, as indicated at the top, 1 week prior to your SSC meeting, grade levels should put into the SSC minute form located on your school public drive or your P drive the information in order for the building principal or designee to generate the agenda. Before the meeting, the agenda should be sent out to all SSC members 1 to 2 days before the meeting. The agenda should include your norms. Number 2, specifically, what data are grade levels expected to communicate? This agenda is from one of our buildings in the district, and the building principal has communicated what assessments was used, what is the data on benchmark or higher, what instructional strategies will be used, when is the instructional strategy going to be utilized, what is the teacher doing, what is the student doing. Even though this information is indicated on the document, the SSC minute document, it is very important that building principals or designees communicate specific information that TBTs are expected to report. Also included in the agenda is any other SSC items that need to be discussed, but understanding that the root of the meeting is really looking at the data and talking about the instructional strategies. The agenda should also have the roles at the meeting, the facilitator, the recorder, and the timekeeper, and snacks are also important. So in order to have an SSC meeting that is successful, remember we need to have our data already inputted before the meeting and printed out, and our agenda should also indicate what is going to be discussed. Thank you.